Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So this video is actually going to be the um official first video official first lengthy video of the channel. I know I always put up shorts, so I just thought short videos, so I just thought to make it lengthier this time. So yes, we're making jollof rice and chicken, and I've already cleaned the chicken. So I've added my salt. Now I'm adding my onion paste. So I grinded the onion, and I love to just grind it to get out the flavors very well. And then now I've added it to the chicken. Now I'm adding my ginger and garlic paste. They're already blended as well. So mind you, this chicken is like a box of chicken. I got an order for jollof rice and chicken, so that's why I'm filming it for you guys. So now I'm moving on to adding black pepper. So like I love to use my meat stock in cooking my jollof rice, so I'm always particular about the quality of my stock. So I like to make it well spiced. I like to make the chicken well spiced. Note, it doesn't mean that the spices are too much. I spice it up in such a way that it will be perfect to get a meat stock. The meat stock that I'll get out of it will be perfect. So this is jima spice. I bought it from Nigeria. So this is the no aromat. I like the flavor it gives as well. So yes, I'm using it to spice the chicken. So this is me adding white pepper. The first one, yeah, this is white pepper. Yes, white pepper. I like the taste it gives as well. So I just, now this is me adding no seasoning. Yes, it's no seasoning. The grinded one, yeah, I also got it from Nigeria. So this is me adding it to the chicken. So like I said, I love the quality of my stock to be like really nice, so that it would add to the taste of the jollof rice, trust me. So this is me adding the curry powder, and now I'm using bay leaf because I'm not going to be putting rosemary into this. So now this is oregano. I got this oregano from Sainsbury, and that's, yeah, I got it from Sainsbury. So yeah, I'm adding it now. And so I did not want to speed up the video so it would make sense. Do you guys get? So yeah, this is me turning it. So now I'm done with the spicing. So I like to turn it like very very well, so that the spice will go round. I don't know if that makes sense. Yes, so this is me turning it. So I'm going to turn the other one to, before putting it on fire. And please note, I'm not going to put water. I'll allow the chicken to release its own juice first before adding water, and the water I'm going to add would not even be a lot, because the chicken, yes, I've already put it on fire here, and it has, I think I've left it for like 15 minutes here. As you can see, it's already boiling. So it's at this point that it has released its water that I will now add water, as you can see. Yes, and the water is not even a lot, because I want the quality of the meat stock to be really nice. So now I'm done with this. Now you guys can see the level of the water, right? Yes. So then I lost the clips of where I used the oven to I used oven for the chicken to get it. So now moving on to the, yeah, that I told you that it was the customer's order. So I want to make my peppered chicken now. So I want to put the chicken, like, just to make it peppered chicken. So I've added my onions, and I already have like so I'll allow this onion to fry for like few minutes so it can release its flavor very well. So after a few minutes, I'm going to be adding this pepper mix. This, yeah, it's like a pepper mixture, but I've already, spiced it. So I would not need to be adding spice to this one now. So now, after allowing it fry a bit, please note, I'm frying on low medium. It's like really low. So I put the chicken and leave it for some minutes to allow the pepper go inside the chicken very well before, bringing it out. So this is what I did with everything. And now I'm putting it in the platter. So that's just for the chicken. Now to the main business, our jollof rice. Yeah. So yeah, I love to add shallots, like shallots, red onions, and the other one. I love them. Like I put a lot of onions in my jollof rice because I see the difference. Like when you put a lot of onions, like the difference is usually there. Like the jollof rice will be nice. This is Please note, this is just my own personal preference. Yeah. So I put shallots and everything. So I allow it. And please note, I'm also frying this on low heat so that it can release flavor. Now I've added the tomato paste. Also note that I'm making 5 kgs of jollof rice. So yes, so it's going to be, it's quite a lot, yeah. So that's why the tomato looks like a lot. So I allow the tomato fry. Can you guys see the difference now? Like the color has changed and it's already. I know you guys can tell the difference already, right? So yeah, after allowing the tomato paste fry for like 10 minutes on low medium heat, I've added my pepper mix, which is habanero, bell pepper, little tomato, and my scotch bonnet. Then the pepper mixture also has ginger, garlic, and a lot of onions. Yeah. So now I'm starting to, spicing it now. I've added my aromat. Now I'm adding my bay leaf. And you need bay leaf in jollof rice, but that's also my personal opinion. The difference is always clear. I like to put bay leaf. And I also like to add smoked paprika powder. But if you don't have paprika powder, it's okay. Like it's not a must. But this is my personal style of making it. So I added my paprika powder, and after adding my paprika powder, I'll be adding my curry. Yes, trust me, the curry that I'm adding, not a lot, because it's a 5 kg of jollof rice. I don't like it to be too much. You get what I mean? So this is the jima spice. I got it from Nigeria. So, and I love the taste it also gives, even though I put very little of it. Yeah, now I'm adding my thyme. After adding the thyme, this is oregano. Note everything I'm adding now is not a lot because I already added it in my chicken stock, and you know that I said I was going to use the chicken stock, so I'm not putting a lot in my pepper base. If it makes sense, do you understand? Yeah, and so now I'm adding my no seasoning cube. Yeah, I'm adding the no seasoning cube. So it's the grounded no. You guys, if you are in Nigeria, I think they even sell it here in the UK too, the grounded one. So I just find it easier. So I think I just added 1 teaspoon of it. Yeah, I'm tasting it. So anything after tasting, anything it needs, I add. So now I almost forgot my white pepper, guys. White pepper, rosemary, very, very important. I mean, this is my own, style of cooking jollof rice. So I put my white pepper because I just feel like there's this distinct taste it gives to jollof rice, and rosemary. Even though I lost the clip of where I put rosemary, be sure that I put it. So I left it to cook for like 8 minutes, came back to it. So this is what we have, and that stuff on it is the rosemary. You guys, if you know rosemary, you know how it is. In fact, this one is even blended. That's why it's like this. So now I like to scoop out my pepper base because This is just my own style of doing it because I want to be in control. Do you understand? So after scooping it out, my washed rice, I poured it in the pepper base, and as you can see, it looks rich already. Like, yeah, it looks rich already. So I just mix it up very, very well. Then I've added my meat stock. The meat stock is very rich. I also lost the clip, but I think there's a part I still showed how I needed more meat stock. So this part, yes, I can you guys see the quality of the stock that I'm talking about? Yeah, that's the quality we are going for. So I added it, and then now I'm adding water. Like I said, I like to be in control, so I don't usually put a lot of water. I just put it gradually as I cook. So yeah, um now that I've added the meat stock, because the meat stock will also serve as a liquid, don't forget. So now that I've added water, I'm going to cover it up, and note that I'm also cooking on low medium heat. Yeah, that's what I'm cooking. So I like to also cover it up with a bag so that it cooks fast. Some people would cook for like 5 minutes before, putting their what's it called, but this is how I like to do mine. So this is about 15 minutes later. I decided to turn, like lift and turn, because I want the ingredients to be, well saturated. I don't know if that's the right English, but you guys get what I'm saying, right? Now I noticed that it needs more water, so I added water. So this is me taking control. Like I said, I added water, turned it again, and then covered it. So this is about 45 minutes later. Our rice is already leaking, coming together. At this point, it was already soft because I left it, like, let it cook. So that stew that I scooped out, I added it again because I'm just extra like that, because I want it to be that, the color to be really rich and all. So this is the end. Our jollof rice is ready. So I like, for the smoky flavor, it's already smoky actually, but I am extra. I want it to be more flavorful. So yeah, guys, can you guys just see that? Can you see? So this is our smoky jollof rice. This is my way of cooking my own smoky jollof rice. And bonus, I'm just, dishing it out for the customer in the cooler, and I decided to show you guys. So this is our chicken, guys. Can you guys see that? Look at our platter. The jollof rice is already in the cooler, and the chicken, everything is already looking really nice. And yeah, this is the end of the video. If you are new to this channel, please encourage me by subscribing. Please subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. And if you're in the UK, I cook for people, so I take orders. You can reach out to me to take your orders. You can reach out to me on Instagram at Temitokwe's Kitchen. So I'll be excited to take your orders. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.